Hello friends, in this video we are going to generate episode. For that I have opened this Laravel Livewire movie we have created. Just I want to copy this and not create manually. Okay, so here in the episode controller we need to create a new method function with name store, and here we need to add the TV show, $sign TV show, and also the season. Okay, after that we need to make the HTTP GET request, and also we need to check if we have the episode. So first I'm going to check $sign episode is going to be the season episodes, and I'm going to open the season model. We don't have the episode relationship, so we need to create that. Create a function with name episodes, and we are going to return $sign this as many, and I think is as many like this. Episode dot class. Okay, saves. Now in the episode controller we can say this season episodes, and where the TMDB ID, not TMDB ID, but the season the episode number. So episode number is request input and episode number, but episode number is going to be like this. Okay, and if we have the episode, yeah, we need to say where and exist. Okay, and here I'm going to return, and I'm going to open the season controller, and here we have return back, same thing, where season number exists, yeah, and return back with flash banner. In this case we say episode exists. Okay, also we need to import the redirect. After that we need to make the GET request, and I'm going to copy what we have here. So copy this one, and after that just instead of the season, import the HTTP. Instead of the season I'm going to say episode, and as a JSON. Now here we need to go to the TV, add the series episode, is here. So TV show, okay. After the TV show, the season, and here we add the season number, and also the episode and this episode number. So season, and here where it is. So here we need to add the season number, And one more thing here, we need to add also the episode. Okay, slash and episode number. Okay, episode slash, and here we need to add the request, input, episode number, like this. And we can say the same thing here if this exists. So paste that in. Now, instead of the TMTB, we need to say if the episode exists, if the episode is successful, sorry, we are going to create that and return with episode created or API error. And I'm going to copy here the episode create for quick. So paste that in and $sign season ID here in the season. In this new episode, we need to say this TMDB episode. So select this one and paste. This public is going to be false by default, and the visits is going to be 1. The slug, we don't need the slug because we are going to do the same thing with what we have done in the other. So go to the season, also open the episode model, and where is the season here? I'm going to copy and go to the episode and paste that in. Now I'm going to open the, here we need episode number is public, and we have visits, and yeah, here the visits is by default 1 and the is public is by default 0. So we don't need, I'm going to import the str here. So TMDB ID, season ID, instead of the TV show ID, we need to add season ID, season number, where is episode number, and this show has an overview. So here's going to be episode number and season ID. Instead, here is going to be overview, and I think we are okay. Save this, close, and in the controller, we don't need this show here because this public is by default 0 and visits is by default 1. So save, go to the browser and refresh, and go and create the episode number 1, click generate, and here we have episode created. Go to the database, refresh, and we have everything here. Okay, episode 2, generate, created. Okay, if I type 1 again and click generate, episode exists, good. If I type a random number and click generate, we have API error. Okay friends, in the next video we are going to work with edit and delete, and also fix this to be is public or not 0 and 1, but if it's 0 it's going to show not public, if it's 1 it's going to show public. Okay, so see you in the next video. All the best.